Welcome to Marcel's workshop. I do a lot of genealogy, and one of my pet peeves is names that are all in caps, all lowercase, or they look like a ransom note with emojis. So I wrote a program that fixes this. In this case, we have Tiny Yoakum all in caps. While in his profile view, you can edit this. Open the Fixit program and copy his first name. Click refresh on the pop-up window and check that it shows Tiny. Click on Fixit, and you'll see that Tiny has been fixed to its proper case format. Now just go back to the highlighted name and paste over it. His last name, Yoakum, is all in uppercase, so do the same with it. And save to load it back to the tree. Next, we see that one of Tiny's wives, Boylis Bailey, is all in lowercase. You can edit her first and last name in the same fashion as before and save it to her details on the tree. You'll notice that when I do her family name, that I skip the refresh button. You can skip the refresh button if you're in a hurry, or if you've developed a trustworthy process of copying the text, and just hit Fixit. Just check that the fixed text is what you want before you paste it. By now, you've probably noticed that it's as easy as copy, fix, paste. Click on Find in Tree at the top right corner. Click List of all people. Here you see a list of all the people in your tree. In this sample tree, we only have 19 people. Move the Fixit pop-up out of the way and select the name you want to correct. Here we have George Washington Carver with 3 emojis. Again, it's as easy as copy, fix, paste. Just copy the first name field and refresh. You'll see his name with the emojis. Click Fixit, and his name is in the proper case format, and emojis have been stripped from the name. Copy, fix, paste, and save. Sometimes you may find a name that is longer than a pop-up window. In this case, we have John Jacob Jinglemeyer Smith, Jr. Yes, I know there's a missing T at the end of Smith. Once you copy and refresh, you can see that the name is too long. You can resize the pop-up to accommodate the name, and again, fix and paste it. The window will stay at the adjusted size. It may be too big and take up too much real estate in front of the tree, but when you hit refresh, it will resize back to its original size. Most of my work involves French-Canadian names, and Fixit can handle characters with accents. For example, here we have François Xavier Gagné. Not only will it handle the French characters, it can do so with capital letters as well. And as a byproduct, it can also handle Spanish characters like the N with a tilde on top, known as the ñ. Once again, you can resize the Fixit pop-up window as needed, and when you click refresh, it will return to its original size. Close the pop-up, simply click on the X, and that concludes the demonstration. Thanks for watching.